Welcome children. In this video we can discuss when two adjacent sides and three angles are given, then how can we construct that quadrilateral. Here I have taken that example 3 first, and after that we can do that exercise 4.3 problems. Now this problem, construct a quadrilateral mist where mi is equal to 3.5 centimeter, is equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle M is equal to 75 degree, angle I is equal to 105 degree, and angle S equal to 120 degree. Here three angles and two sides are given. So I have drawn one rough sketch of quadrilateral here. That measurement also given here, MI 3.5, IS 6.5, and the three angles also written here. MI 3.5 centimeter is given and these two angles also given here. Similarly, here SI also given as 6.5 centimeter and these two angles, angle S and angle I are given. So we can draw either MI or IS first. So I am here drawing MI with 3.5 centimeter. Here it is MI 3.5 centimeter. Pointing on I, draw an arc like this way, and without changing compass width, here pointing on here, draw one arc. You know this is 60 degree, and one more arc without changing compass width, pointing on here, draw another arc again 60. 60 plus 60, this is 120, and point of intersection of this 120, the bisector of this 60 and 120 is 90 degree. So we are keeping here and taking more than half of this. Let it be CD. More than half of the CD, taking more than half, drawing an arc here. Similarly, pointing on D also without changing that width, we are drawing one arc here. Now we have got that point of intersection of these two arcs. This is 90 degree, but we need 105 degree angle. So 105 degree angle will come in between that 90 and 120 degree. But we cannot choose this arc for that. This one and this one. We have to find that 90 degree on this main arc that first we have drawn here. We have to mark that 90 degree here. And do not take this one and this one. If you are taking like this way, it will be wrong. And mark that 90 degree, which is that line on this main arc. And after that, draw bisector of this 90 and 120 degree. So that pointing our compass here and taking more than half of this and drawing one arc here. Like this way. And similarly, pointing on D, draw an arc like this way. Now we have got that point of intersection. Just to draw, join with I. This point and I, we have to join. And we know this is exactly, this angle is 105 degree. Then children, MI and here I 105 degree also we have drawn. Angle I is equal to 105 degree. Here it is completed. Then next we have to find the point S. S is 6.5 centimeter away from I. We have got that point I, and take 6.5 on your ruler and draw or mark that point S. So here I have got that point S, that is 6.5 centimeter away from I, and this is the point S. And see here on S, angle S is equal to 120 degree. So we have to draw that angle 120 degree on S. It is very easy. When you are drawing, it will be very easy because you can turn your notebook according to your convenience. Here for drawing 120 degree angle, I am drawing a 60 degree angle first. Then we have constructed that 120 degree angle here. Similar way, here what we have done 60 degree, then 120 degree, here also done that same way 60 degree, 120 degree, and this is our 120 degree. So we have to join this 120 degree. This is the point S, and S and 120 degree, this angle point we have marked there, that also we have to join now. Okay, then again here we have drawn 120 degree angle that we can write here, and next is our point T. We have to find the point T. There is no measurement given here, and here also empty, there is no measurement is given. So we have to find this point T, so that this line, and we have to construct 75 degree on M. Angle M is equal to 75 degree. That 75 we have to construct here. After that, this 75 and 120 degree, these lines will, these angles will meet at a point. That point is T. So we have to construct 75 degree angle. How to construct 75 degree? By using compass and rule. Previous video I have given you, and if it is needed I will share it once again in description box. And here for constructing that 75, and for taking angle M 75 degree, first we have drawn that 60 degree angle here, then 60, then 120 here. That bisector of 60 and 120 is 90 degree. We have marked that 90 degree angle line here on this arc, and we have drawn that bisector of this 90 and 60, that is 75. This is the bisector of 90 and 60, and it is exactly 75 itself. Join this point and M. And when you are drawing this point and M, do not stop here. You have to draw like this way. It will intersect on this angle 120. We have drawn that line for that. Here we are, they are intersecting this line and this line. Now we have got that point T. This point of intersection is the point T. And MIST, our quadrilateral mist is ready, and M is equal to, angle M is equal to 75 degree. Okay, then second question is, construct quadrilateral more where MO is equal to 6 cm, OR is equal to 4.5 cm, angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle O equal to 105 degree, and angle R is equal to 105 degree. Here I have drawn the rough sketch of more, and MORE. Here angle MO is equal to 6 cm. Here it is marked. OR is equal to 4.5. Then two sides are given. Then three angles. It is angle M 60 degree, angle O 105 degree, angle R also 105 degree. Then we have to decide how to construct that more by visualizing this rough sketch. Here it is MO is given 6 cm, and these two angles also given. So either we can draw this MO or OR first, because angle O and angle R also given, and this length also given here. OR equal to 4.5 cm. So here we can start with MO 6 cm. Drawing, here we have MO with 6 cm. Next we have to construct that angle 105 degree on O. 105 degree we are constructing here. Now we have drawn that 60 degree here, 120 degree, and this is 90 degree, 90 degree. Then that bisector of this 90 and 120, 105 degree, and join this O and that point here, this point and O, join like this way. Then we have to write here angle O 105 degree. Then from O we have to find that point R. R is 4.5 cm away from O. So it is easy to take by using ruler. Take 4.5 cm and mark that point. Here is our point R. Then Next step, we have to construct that 105 degree on R. Similar way, we can construct 105 degree on R, and when you are doing, you can turn your notebook and do it properly. Now we have constructed this 105 degree on R. Similar way what we have done here, that way we have drawn 105 degree angle here, and this is the point we have marked as the line for 105 degree angle, and joining that point and R by using a ruler, and draw a line like this way. And next we have to draw 60 degree angle M is equal to 60 degree. That very easily we can draw 60 degree pointing on M. Adjust our compass width and draw an arc like this way. After that, pointing here with that same compass width, draw an arc here. Just to join this point with M. And while we are drawing these points, drawing these lines, don't draw like this way. It should extend up to here. Now you can see it is intersecting this line and this line. This is the point where it is E. This is the point E. Mark E here, and here it is 60 degree angle MORE. Now we have got that quadrilateral MORE. And don't forget to write here also 105 degree. Next our question is exercise 4.3, third question. Quadrilateral plan. Construct quadrilateral plan where PL is equal to 4 centimeter, LA is equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle P is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to 110 degree, angle N is equal to 85 degree. This much things are given here, and I have drawn that rough sketch of this plan and mark that given measurements here. That is PL 4 centimeter it is given, LA 6.5 centimeter, and we have these three angles. Here it is 90 degree, 85 degree, angle A is 110 degree. But we have to think these much measurements are enough for drawing or constructing this plan. For that, let us check here. Two sides are given, but that included angles are not given. See, these adjacent sides LA and PL both are given, but we need this angle, then only we can construct this quadrilateral plan. So that how can we find this measurement here? It is easy. We know this is a quadrilateral, so sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of interior angles is equal to 360 degree. So we can add these given angles 85 degree plus 110 degree plus 90 degree plus angle L is equal to 360 degree. Here we added 85, 110, 90, then angle L equal to 360 degree. Then we have to add this 285 degree is equal to, adding this 85, 110, 900. So we are getting 285 degree plus angle L is equal to 360 degree. Then angle L is equal to, we have to transpose this 285 towards right, it becomes minus 285. We will get it as 75 degree. So we have got now angle L is equal to 75 degree. Next we have to observe this rough sketch again. Here PL 4 centimeter given and these two angles also given. So we have to draw PL first. PL with the 4 centimeter. Then we have to take these angles 90 and 75. Then we can find this point A and N. Let us see how to draw that. Easily we can draw that now. PL is equal to 4 centimeter. First I am taking PL 4 centimeter. writing here PL is equal to 4 centimeter. Then next we have to construct 90-degree angle here. Now you know how to construct that 90-degree angle. I'm just constructing that 90-degree angle here. Previous time you have seen many times. Okay children, now we have constructed that 90-degree angle. This is 60, 120, bisector of 60 and 120 is 90 degree. Now I'm joining this 90-degree point. We marked here, we have got this point and this P we are joining. Now we have completed that 90-degree angle here. And next is angle L 75 we have to draw. 75 degree. Okay, then we have constructed that 75-degree angle here. See, this is 60, 120 and this is 90 degree. Definitely we have to mark that 90 degree on the main arc and do not draw that bisector of this one and this one. You won't get 75 degree. So definitely we have to mark that 90 degree on that arc. Then this is the 75 degree I have marked there. I have to join it now. 75 degree. Whenever we are joining, just extend that line, and here we need 6.5 centimeter. So from L, A is 6.5 centimeter away. So we have to measure that 6.5 on by using a ruler and mark that point 6.5. Here it is. This is the point A. Here we have got the point A, and A we have to, angle A is 110, so definitely we have to draw 110 there. We can use a protractor for drawing that 110 degree. So here now we can join that. Here you can see that line segment. We cannot take that upward part because this is the line segment. So this 0 we have to consider. This is 180, 90, 100 and 110. Here is the point 110. And once again I will tell you, we have to consider this 0 because our line segment is passing through this side only, not that another side. So this 0 we have to consider, and 0, 10, 20 and here it is 100 and this is the point 110. Now I am removing this one. Then next we have to join this point and A. And now we have got this point of intersection of these two, that is the point N. Definitely this N is 85 degree. No need to measure, it is 85 degree only we will get, and looks like little variation only because that 5 degree variation only coming from 90 degree. This is 85 degree and our quadrilateral PLAN plan completed now. Next our question is construct parallelogram here where HE is equal to 5 centimeter, EA is equal to 6 centimeter, angle R is equal to 85 degree. Here I have drawn this parallelogram here, and because it is given as a parallelogram itself, we can draw the shape of a parallelogram, and the measurements given HE 5 centimeter, EA 6 centimeter, angle R 85 degree. So this is not enough for us. We know that properties of a parallelogram that we have to apply here. What all two properties we have to apply here? That first one is opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So HE 5 centimeter, opposite of this side HE is RA. So that is also 5 centimeter. Similarly AE, opposite of AE is RH, that also 6 centimeter. Now we have got that four sides, and this angle, opposite angle is 85 degree because we know opposite sides and opposite angles of a parallelogram are of equal measure. Opposite angles are equal and opposite sides are equal. So here 85 and 85, and here we know that adjacent one, these are adjacent angles. So we know that properties of a parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Therefore, here this one and this one, angle H plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. Here angle E is 85 degree given. Then what is angle H? That is equal to 180 minus 85 degree. 180 degree minus 85 degree is equal to 95 degree. So we are getting it here 95 degree. Here also 95 degree. Now we have to draw HE with 5 centimeter and angle H 95 degree. Next we have to write this angle here 95 degree, and here HR is equal to 6 centimeter. Then we can draw 85 degree angle E. So we are placing our protractor like this way, and we have to measure 85 degree, and this 0 we have to consider. Here this is 0, then from here 85 degree, this is 80 and this is 85 degree. Put a point here and remove our protractor and join these points like this way, and EA is equal to 6 centimeter. So mark that 6 centimeter here, mark that point here and write 6 centimeter, and this is the point A, and here it is angle 85 degree. Then join this point R and A. Now our parallelogram HEAR is ready, and here it is 5 centimeter, here also 5 centimeter. Then we know this angle A is 95 degree. It will be exactly 95 degree itself, and angle R 85 degree also. Then parallelogram here, it is okay now. Next problem is construct rectangle OKAY. Okay, where OK is equal to 7 centimeter, KA is equal to 5 centimeter. And here I have drawn that rectangle OK with 7 centimeter OK and KA 5 centimeter. We know for a rectangle opposite sides are equal. So here it is 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter opposite side. Here it is YA 7 centimeter. And also we know that all angles are equal. That is, each angle is equal to 90 degree. So we have that all measurements here. So it is easy to construct a rectangle. So first we can draw. So we have drawn this OK, line segment OK, 7 centimeter. Then we have to construct that 90 degree angle on O. You know how to construct this 90 degree angle by using compass and all. First we are drawing a 60 degree, 120 degree, then bisector of these two, we will get that 90 degree angle. This is 90 degree angle. We can join it now with the point O. And we have to take that 5 centimeter here for finding the point Y. So this is the point 5 centimeter away from O, and we can mark it as Y. Now it is easy. We need a compass for that and measure this OK, that is 7 centimeter already we have drawn here. So it is easy. Point on Y. Just to draw an arc. Point your compass on Y draw an arc like this way, and then we can remove that compass width and take this measurement now, 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. So this measurement we have to take O to Y. O, Y we have to take now, and pointing on K, draw an arc. Then join this. This is our point A. Now we can join KA and AY. We have completed that quadrilateral OKAY, and here it is 5 centimeter and here it is 7 centimeter.